Alright, so from this video onwards, we are going to talk about the fundamentals of large language models, that is LLMs. Okay, so in order to cover the entire fundamental of LLM, we should go through this 8-step journey where in the first step, we are going to try to understand what is LLM and how it works. Then we are going to talk about, the token and embedding parts of the LLM. Then in the further module, or you can say sub module, we are going to talk about the attention mechanism, then how training works. So in the training, we have something called as pre-training and fine-tuning for the LLMs. So we are going to understand that. After that, we are going to also understand what is RLHF and alignment. Then after, we are going to also understand the context, temperature and sampling. So here we are going to talk about, context engineering in depth. Then we are also going to talk about why, LLM basically hallucinates, and then why there is a RAG exist. Okay. And finally, like how we will move from RAG to agents. Of course, we are not going to cover the agents in a depth because that's not the goal. The goal is to understand LLM, but in order to understand the LLM, and then from the fundamentals of LLM to RAG, and then from RAG to agents, the entire journey also we will cover.